Looking for a smart locker to secure cell phones, firearms, laptops, or other personal items? A new generation of innovative high-security lockers enables employees and random users to secure their personal items in restricted areas without the use of mechanical keys. These high-security cabinets offer the perfect combination of compact size along with high-capacity storage. Now, you can easily review every operation made, as each transaction is recorded by a dedicated video camera. For more information on these smart storage locker cabinets, call us today at 1-800-803-1083 or visit us on the web at www.southwestsolutions.com.